You can do anything. Paint a masterpiece in a minute, learn each language in an hour, construct a multi-billion-dollar business overnight, and dominate the world by tomorrow. Or is it because you are not using your brain to its full potential? That is what if, and here's what your brain could be like at full capacity. The mind, to say the least, is very intricate. The brain, to say the very least, is quite complex. We have analyzed it for centuries, and we're still learning more of its secrets today. We have analyzed it for decades, and we're still learning more of its secrets today. The hunt for facts can sometimes lead to fiction. Brain size relates more to ratio than it will to intelligence. For example, here is your brain near a whale. Your brain is much smaller than a whale's because your body is smaller. But your brain is organized in a way that enables one to survive and triumph. We've seen what really clever people can perform. They inspire us through artwork, music, and literature. They change the odds in sport, they develop resources to make our lives easier, plus, they help organize society as a whole to allow us all more potent for better or for worse. With access to your mind's full capacity, you are limitless. So what do? First things first, you eventually get to solve the Rubik's Cube collecting dust on your shelf. Call up your smartest friend, and challenge them to a game of chess. When you're done being smarty pants, you are going to be searching for a true challenge. Ever since being smart means, you will not be stimulated by the things that help keep us simpletons happy. If you are infinite, you don't need to choose. Picasso was overrated. Sorry, I'm late, I was up all night curing cancer. So I thought, well, why not? And that is the way the time-traveling bathroom came to be. Alright, back up. What happens to your body when you are dedicating all your brain's energy to a creation, a remedy, or a patent? Even if you could access 100% of your brain's capacity, you could not use it. Your body's survival requirements limit you. Recall when we asked. The 10% thing is a fantasy, and it probably comes out of simple confusion. Your brain is 10% nerves and 90% glial cells. There are different types of neurons, which take care of different purposes. But in general, your nerves allow you to process and transmit data. At the same time, your glial cells surround your neurons, providing them with insulation and support. Your brain has only as many neurons as Albert Einstein did. Maintain healthy habits, that is the smart thing to do. And, of course, it is a no-brainer. We hope you are learning something new every day from our videos. If you want us to cover a specific topic, let us know in the comments section below. We are doing our bit to spread awareness about the common health conditions and exciting topics. Do your part by sharing this video with your friends and social circle. Thank you. Get value by subscribing our Get Value channel. Thank you.